Well, Beavers and Monkeys, I hope you enjoyed the book, All the Places You Will Go by Dr. Seuss. We have read a lot of books written by Dr. Seuss, and this is a special one about going places. Let's talk a little bit about this book. This little boy in the book is traveling by a balloon. He's traveling through his journey of learning. And you have been through a journey of learning too. And you're going to be making your own balloon, or you're going to be using the balloon that I have uploaded for you. But I would rather for you to create your own balloon because it was your own journey and it was your own balloon that you traveled in. You can make your balloon round, long and thin, wiggly one. You can make it colorful and that has pattern. You can make your balloon as special as you are. And after drawing this balloon, I want you to pretend just a little bit that you are this little boy or this little girl traveling through this balloon. And tell me about this year and how you have been the best of the best, and how you moved mountains to learn math and writing and reading, and you did great things in kindergarten. And where will you be after you move on from kindergarten? Because you have brains in your head and shoes on your feet, and you created great things. Now I want you to write about Now I want you to write about you traveling through this balloon. Where are you going to go? Who are you going to meet? And the things that you're going to be doing there. And I want you to use your great imagination, because you have a great imagination and you had great experiences. You have done great things, and we are super proud of you. And I cannot wait to read your writing. You are super class, Beavers and Monkeys, and we miss you very much.